Wow, this is honestly the cutest thing ever. I'm just utterly obsessed. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Angelica and today we're gonna be unboxing the Cult Gaia's Bubble Clutch in Ivory. And I'm literally obsessed because I saw this at the very start of summer in Nordstrom originally, and then I didn't see it again until I saw Sierra Furtado's Instagram post. Long story short, I ordered it before my Hawaii trip, overnight FedEx shipping, and it didn't come till 3 days later. I bought it from Saks, 5th Avenue originally, and first of all, it is so nicely packed. So I'm like, what a way. I arrived like home like 2 nights ago, but I just wanted to see like your guys' reaction, really. I'm just hoping that it'll be more cuter unboxing versus last time with my Balenciaga, only because Balenciaga literally just put a bag into a dust bag. Didn't even give me a box from the box. So I was like, Balenciaga, what are you doing? Literally have a pink box? Cult Gaia. Oh my gosh. My boyfriend actually got this for me for our anniversary gift. I'm just, oh, this box feels so good. You can literally like, also if you hear my dog panting in the background, you're too loud. Do you guys see him? From where I'm from, there was not one in store in the state of Washington. Love this dust bag, first of all. Instructions, but at the same time, why did they put an instructions font color like this? I can barely read. This unique design is handmade by skilled artisans using exceptional materials. Slight variations are to be expected and are what makes this piece unique. Perfectly imperfect. Please be gentle and take care of the delicate piece. Okay. Literally looks similar to my bubble candle, which is actually kind of funny. You guys, oh my gosh. This is crazy. I can't. Oh my gosh, it's so smooth. Here, let me do a little close up on everything. And this is the color in Ivory. They do have a white one, a pink one, a green one, but I just decided that this would be easier to match for especially winter and when I go on vacation. So I also had my nails done that matched my freaking clutch. How do I open it? That's the thing. I think you just push this right here. And you're probably wondering, what the hell do you put in here? I think that's the most you can actually open it. And this is the inside. That was kind of loud. I just love it. It is so unique. I don't really see anyone near me, anyone I know that actually has this piece. I've only seen very, very, very few influencers kind of have this. So before I actually show you the actual fits, I'm kind of curious what fits in here and if it's gonna make any sounds. I have my keys and my Louis Vuitton card holder. Your lip oil that I literally always use. It gives you natural lip filler, like actually. And I'm not sure if these random Urban Outfitters sunnies are gonna fit in here, but we're gonna be doing that as well. So it does make sounds. It doesn't even make sounds. That's perfect. Okay, so let's check out the outfits and see what it's gonna look like. A masterpiece, let's go. Wow, this is honestly the cutest thing ever. There's some cracks, but like I feel like sand may or may not be able to get in there. Obviously, you don't put your purse on the sand on the beach. Let's go look at outfit number 2. Okay, let's kind of mix it up a little bit. This is a hat I got in Hawaii for $45. Apparently it protects you from UV exposure, all that stuff, so. Amazing. What do you think? Is it amazing? Okay, so that's enough for the outfits. This is literally so crazy. Okay, so I'm pretty much done. I just want to thank you guys so much for watching this YouTube video of me and my unboxing. I hope this really helped. This is just an amazing bag overall. I'm just utterly obsessed, and even though summer is ending, whenever we travel, summer is technically never ending, so you can always use this for winter. It also kind of looks like snowballs in a way. I don't even know. Please, please, please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment down below, and don't forget to turn that post notification. That way, you know, I'm always posting the entire week, and we will definitely see you guys in the next YouTube video. Bye.
I fall in love too easily. I fall in love.